Today, we're going to make international money transfers super easy using Taptap Send and Gcash. First, let's open the Taptap Send application. You'll need to download and install the app on your phone if you haven't already, making sure to provide the app with permission to access your location. Once the app is open, you'll see the main interface. Tap the Send Money button. Next, you'll be prompted with an option to select the country you want to send to. Since your destination is the Philippines, select it from the list. Next, you will see the How would you like to send money option should appear from the menu. Tap Mobile Wallet. This will take you to the next step in the process. Afterward, you'll be asked to select the recipient. Select Gcash as the preferred wallet to send your funds. You'll now need to enter the recipient's details. Provide the recipient's full name, which will typically include a first name, middle initial, and last name. Ensure the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Input the recipient's Gcash mobile number, typically with a 10-digit form. Double-check and confirm it before moving forward. Next, you will need to enter the amount you wish to send. Input the amount you wish to send in your currency. The app will automatically display the equivalent amount in Philippine pesos. Now you will see the Review Your Transfer screen, where both you and the recipient's details are displayed. Carefully review all the information you have entered, including the recipient's name, Gcash number, and the amount you intend to send. Once you've confirmed, tap Send and enter your payment method, such as debit or credit cards, for completion. And there you have it. After you've sent your cash, congratulations! With Taptap Send and Gcash, you're sending money safely and securely to your loved ones.